Today, I'll walk you through how to create a date table using one formula, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up a comprehensive date table in Power BI so you can enhance your data analysis capabilities. Let's get started by opening your Power BI dashboard. This is your workspace where all the magic happens. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core functionalities remain the same. Next, navigate to the Modeling tab in Power BI Desktop. Here, you'll find the option to create new tables. Click on New Table. This is where we will input our formula to generate the date table. Now in the formula bar, type the following formula. Date table equals ADDCOLUMNS followed by an open parenthesis. This is where we will define the start and end date range. Use the calendar function to set your range from January 1, 2020 to December 31, 2026. After that, we will add all the necessary date dimension columns. Here, how you can do it. Start with year and then use the year function to extract the year from the date. Next, add quarter no using the quarter function to get the quarter number. For a more descriptive label, add quarter and concatenate it with Q followed by the quarter number. Now let's move on to the months. Add month no using the month function, and for a more user-friendly format, include month name using the format function to display the full month name. You can also add month short with the same format function to show the abbreviated month name. To sort the months correctly, include month year sort using the int function with the format function to create a YYYYMM format. Next, we will add week no using the WEKNUM function, where you can specify whether the week starts on Sunday or Monday. Then, add day no using the day function to get the day of the month. To capture the day of the week, include day of week no using the weekday function, and for a more descriptive format, add day of week using the format function to display the full day name. You can also include day short for the abbreviated version. Lastly, to identify weekends, add is weekend using an if statement that checks if the weekday is greater than 5, labeling it as weekend or weekday. Once you've entered this formula, hit enter. Your date table will now be created, complete with all the necessary dimensions for your analysis. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.